Hey guys, so today what I'm gonna do is I'm going to unbox my Allure beauty box. I have been a member for longer than a year and I do enjoy all the stuff that I've received. Some of them have been okay, but some have been really amazing stuff. So let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here this time. Okay, it always comes with a little book and it tells you details on what's gonna be in the box. It also gives you coupon codes, and usually what's in here, sometimes you get full-size items, but when you don't, you'll get the price of the full-size item with the coupon. That way if you love something, you can just go straight to the website. All right, so let's see what's in here. Okay, it's a flower balm, which is a perfume that I have smelled at department stores. It's a little sample. It's about this big. And I'll put more of the details on the bottom of my video. This is an Allure Skin Balance Toner. I've seen a lot of good reviews, so I really can't wait to try it. Very excited about that. And this is a Allure by Jean Co. It says hydrating and calming serum. I do need this, so I'm really excited about this. And 10-in-1 primer, main magic, multi-benefit. You have a Derma Green Solution, Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. It's very small, but if you love it, you can order a big one. And you have a Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask, moisturizing and soothing for all skin types, normal to oily. And a Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Lip Liner. The color is pomegranate. This is a full size, so not bad. And this is all that is in this box. Next month, I'll open my box for you guys so you guys can see. But for now, these are all my items. So here are the 7 items that I got in this month's box. And I only paid $15, and that includes your shipping. It doesn't include your taxes, so you're gonna have to check on that. But other than that, it was such a good deal. I'm gonna add my personal link below. That way, if you wanna sign up, you get a free gift, and I also get a free gift. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye, guys.